Hello everyone, I am Radhakrishnan. I have cleared my UPSC NDA exam for 3 times, that is 144, 145 and 146 course of NDA. For the next few minutes, I would like to share my strategies and my way of preparation that would help you also. The very first thing a competitive exam aspirant should do is to analyze the exam pattern of the exam which he is trying to crack. And the next thing is to get aware about the syllabus of the examination given in the notice of the exam by the commission, which could give him a clear frame of the subjects which he has to study to crack the exam. And the next thing to do is to go through the previous year question papers, which would bring out the weightage of each and every topic so that he can come out of clear plan to concentrate on which topic to score high. And the next thing is to fix a target with the analysis of weightage of topics as per the trend of the question papers and the current cut-off marks, so that he could come to a plan of studying topics in which he can score his expected marks and crack the exam. When we look into the NDA examination, we have totally 2 parts in the selection system, that is the written exam and followed by the service selection board. When we focus on the written exam, it consists of 2 papers. The paper 1 is mathematics with 120 questions from the syllabus of class 11 and 12 mathematics, and the given time is 2.5 hours. In the paper mathematics, each question carries 2.5 marks for the right answers and minus 0.83 marks for the wrong responses. And in the paper 2, general ability test, we have 50 questions from English and the rest of 100, that is total of 150 questions, the rest 100 remains the mixture of physics, chemistry, biology, geography, polity and history, and some miscellaneous questions from the lower classes. And each question in the general ability paper consists of 4 marks, carries 4 marks for the right responses and minus 1.3 marks for the wrong responses. Yes, of course, in the cycle of preparation, we all have ups and downs, but in the factor of fear comes in when the exam nears. But we need not fear when we are on the right track. During preparation, we go through all the notes and we revise the notes that we make. But what to do in the last 30 days when the exam nears? There comes the role of previous year question papers, where we can practice as well gain more knowledge. How to gain knowledge from the question papers? This is a reverse method. When we work out and solve question papers, we come to know where we stand. But other than that, when we work out all the questions after the practice test or the mock test which we write, we get more knowledge about the topics as well the questions which we have not even touched upon. So that will help to cover a larger portion. Working out on each and every question after practicing the question paper will help us to gain more and more knowledge. And of course, not only the questions, as well the options. For example, when we have a synonym question in English, not only the word given in the question, as well we can find out the meanings of the word given in option. So from every question we collect meaning for 5 words, which is going to be a major boost in our preparation. So without postponing things to the last neck of the time, we can start working out on the previous year question papers as well the model question papers right now, which will boost our preparation and boost our score in the main exams. Okay friends, now I have few do's and don'ts for you in the last few days of the examination. That is, the very first thing you have to do is trust yourself. Yes, of course we have so many syllabus to cover, but still you trust yourself to repeatedly practice that. As I said earlier, you can practice on the previous year question papers and work out on the same question paper repeatedly to boost your confidence. That will surely boost your confidence and help in your examination. And few don'ts, that is, don't feel low when your score goes down in a mock test or a practice test. Yes, of course, practice test is to practice, not to assess you. So do not feel low. Work out on the paper again. As I said earlier, take the knowledge from each and every question and try to gain more knowledge. The last but the major factor in boosting your score is the revision. The factor of revising your notes eventually now and then. That will keep you in touch with the old syllabus. And of course, in my cycle of preparation, I was needing a mentor and I decided to go with Vision Defense, which made my foundation a stronger one and which kept me motivated throughout my preparation cycle. And my decision was made right when my results were out. And thanks to Vision Defense team, Jai Hind.